It's Russ from Rusty Tracks Railroad. That's that little unboxed loco that I did yesterday, the unboxing for. The Scale Trains Rivet Counter, BNSF GEVO. And she's just sitting on my roller track here right now and running to do a break-in on it. Makes breaking in your locomotives a lot easier, and just put it on a stationary set of rollers and let her run. So we're going to do that for about an hour. It's in reverse mode right now. It was running last night for about an hour in forward mode, and I'll go through some different speeds later on and just let it run slowly, making sure I'm working in all the bearings and the gears, etc., etc. Anyway, today's talk is going to be about DCC-Ex. This is my Android tablet, and this is what I use to control my locomotives on Rusty Tracks Railroad. I can run 2 trains on here without any problems. The current hardware that I run is supplied partially by the DCC-Ex community, because they do offer hardware for sale. And I took my spare unit and I took everything out of its cabinet, and this is what we've got. So we've got a display here. We've got a Wi-Fi board here. And underneath that, because these are all, they call them hats, they all sit one on top of each other. This is my 2.5 amp, I believe it is, driver board for the motor controller. And then below that is the Arduino Mega. So all these things together give me my command station to run my railroad. Now, as I said, I've taken that, this is my spare unit, I've taken that out of its housing, and I'm going to be doing an upgrade. And we're going to put some new hardware in, but not today. I'm just going to show you all the hardware. So, this is the new hardware. This board here, single board with a display on it, is going to replace all of that. So, yeah, we're going from that to this. This is where we've come in about 2 years as far as hardware is concerned. It's pretty amazing. This I picked up for about, I think it was 150 Canadian, and the software is already installed on it ahead of time. So basically the whole thing is going to be a plug and play situation. All I need to do is take these plugs off, because they're just plugs. That's my programming track plug. That's my main line plug. And the barrel jack here is our power supply that provides power to the tracks. So that's going to be a 12 volt 5 amp power supply. Could be just one of the laptop style power supplies, provided it gives you enough power, enough voltage for running your tracks. If it was HO, I think we'd be running upwards of 15 volts and 5 amps still. To give you another idea, this is the driver board, the motor driver board from this old system. So that's what this motor driver looks like. It looks very similar to this board here, but that's only a motor driver. That's all that is. And you can see this one was from the DCC-Ex community, as is this one, but this is all self-contained. This one contains everything that all of this did. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll be hooking all this up at some point in time, and I'll give you a quick overview of how things went. But it should be up and running when I decide to take this guy back off of its test track, because currently it's running off the layout power, and I don't want to stop it just yet. But when I do, I will be disconnecting my current DCC-Ex system, and I'll be hooking up the new DCC-Ex command station, the CSB1, and we'll see how that goes. It should only take about, well, let's say 30 seconds to do the hookup, and then take my tablet here and hook up to this, because this is going to be acting as an access point now instead of going through my home Wi-Fi. So it'll be an independent system. I can theoretically take it wherever I want to go and hook up to it and go. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll be giving you a review soon. Take care all. Happy railroading.